Are you looking for tools to streamline your social media marketing campaigns? In this PPT deck, we present the ultimate solution to help you develop the best campaigns and dominate the digital landscape. Use this template to craft a masterful weekly calendar for recording your posts and planning for future publications across social media platforms. Want to create irresistible social media presence? Download our Social Media Marketing Campaign PPT deck. Also, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. Ensure your campaign success with insightful social media marketing metrics. From growing the brand to customer retention, delve into data-driven brilliance to optimize your strategy and achieve your goals. Running social media marketing campaigns has some nuances. But don't worry. This valuable resource is here to guide your team through these roadblocks that mark it. The aim is to equip you with strategies for smart planning that includes the use of chatbots and quality content. Get ahead of your competitors with our Social Media Marketing Campaign Templates PowerPoint module. Download now and turn followers into fans. Leverage this PowerPoint presentation to craft a powerful plan, including goal setting, crafting buyer personas, channel selection, and competitive analysis. Each component is divided into subtasks on this slide, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The best part? You also get a well-structured graphic for the objective and key results (OKR) method that will enable alignment and drive focused efforts towards achieving specific, measurable goals. Also, get a PPT template to create a performance report that will help you create data-driven strategies for your future campaigns. Isn't it convenient? For more such presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net.